Are you ready?
Hey, it's Cornfu. The unthinkable happened. I didn't get canceled. I didn't do a video this week. I did 36 in a row. Well, I'm kind of doing a video, but it's not like my full bore normal video. So what happened was, I'm going to be painting some sneakers. Is that what the kids call them now? A pair of Vans. Not the vehicle, the shoes. And I've never done this before. It's going to take me a little extra time, so I need that extra time. So instead, I'm going to show you a rerun. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching. I think you'll enjoy it. It's a cool piece. All right, let's do it. Watching my rerun. It'll be worth it. Me doing a rerun gave me an extra week to work on this project that I'm on that I'm only 25% of the way through. It's so much work. I'm probably making it more work than it actually is. I bought a heat gun. I needed a heat gun for it. So anyway, it's going well, swimmingly. So I need to shut up and just get it done. But anyway, thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Leave a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Oh, so my friend Rachel came through. She drew me this and that. They're super awesome. It's Mark from Battle of the Planets, and it's a variation of Evil Mark from Battle of the Planets. So I'm super stoked. They turn out great. Thank you, Rachel. Awesome. I love doing the collab stuff. Even though it's remote, it's okay. I want to do this more with some other artists. Let's like trade art, trade ideas, and do something cool. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.